Join us at Pinnacle Montessori Summer Camp from June to July for children 2 to 12 years. No registration fee if you registered your child by May 1st. Summer Camp at Pinnacle Montessori offers non-stop opportunities for creativity, discovery, active play, social interaction, and fun. Children ages 2 to 12 join a homeroom classroom that is thoughtfully prepared with materials and hands-on activities to engage all their senses while promoting creativity, movement, cooperation, and collaboration. STEAM inspired activities enrich your child's experience through science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math. Abundant sunshine and fresh air are a must as children enjoy daily play on our nature-inspired playground. Montessori elements of independence, choice, and responsibility carry over into the summer camp environment as we continue to inspire children to be their best possible selves. Our core values are discovery, always encourage curiosity, and a love of learning in oneself and others. Independence, let every individual do what they can for themselves. Respect, remember everyone has worth and dignity, be mindful, be considerate. Empathy, understand others' perspective and treat all people with kindness. Collaboration, with an open mind contribute to the common good. Trust, be honest, authentic, and sincere while trusting every child's process. At Pinnacle Montessori, where love, friendship, and learning intersect. On a daily basis, children at Pinnacle Montessori will get to learn and explore new things, all while building relationships and friendships. Please contact Enrollment at pinnaclemontessori.com or call 469-755-8544.